summertime, it's hot, and here in Southern California, it's gonna be boiling until Halloween. And one of my favorite cocktails is a spritz. But what I've got today is a little twist on an Aperol Spritz. Shot glass, dry Prosecco, one, trying not to get too many bubbles. You know, Prosecco is just kind of hard to pour like that. Two, same amount of Aperol, which is orange liqueur, for those of you who are curious. It's a little bit bitter, which is kind of fun for people like me. Two, and then this is fresh squeezed ruby red grapefruit juice, and just one of those. I really am making a mess. And a little bit of club soda. Top it off. And a piece of that ruby red grapefruit. There it is. And now you've got a party.